Hey everybody, sorry I'm a little late getting on here. I was having a little bit of trouble getting my computer to cooperate, so I'm doing the phone thing, which means that I can't see any of your comments. So if you're watching, awesome, but I can't see your comments right now. I'm gonna try to get it up, but we'll see, because my computer is still not playing nicely. So I have a kit in color, Paper Pumpkin kit, and that's what I'm gonna play with today. I have been refraining from opening this for actually a few weeks. I have to schedule this live earlier in the month, I think, because I totally didn't factor in the fact that it usually actually gets here on time. So this kit has a bunch of different cards, and it features some of the new in colors. So we've got Misty Moonlight is our Stampin' Spot, and then there is Magenta Madness as well, including in the Baker's Twine there. And oh, those are cute. Bumblebee and Just Jade are some of the new in colors that we're seeing in this kit. I need to keep my instructions handy because I'm gonna need them. Let's see if I can get, aha, there we go. Was I able to, no, okay. Yeah, my computer is just dragging its heels. I'm gonna put my envelopes aside for now. And I'm going to grab a sheet of those. And a sheet of those. You can see some of the very pretty colors in that. This looks like it is Purple Posy, which is last year's new in color. So that's kind of exciting. They go very well together. Now when you look at this sheet, it is a little bit scuffed. It's meant to be like that. See if I can bring this up so I can see the comments. There we go. Still can't see the comments, but aha! Oh look, and there's people watching. Brilliant. I haven't just been talking to myself. Alrighty. Bring out some of this stuff, and what is the stamping I'm gonna do? I'm assuming it's all on this white sheet. We're gonna do You're Amazing. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, happy day. All right, and I just need to get some clear blocks out. Has anybody put together their Paper Pumpkin yet this month? Being more on the ball than I was, in other words. And there goes a clear block. Down the rabbit hole beside my desk. Oh, and then we've got this one here. It's a beautiful kit, I agree, Sue. It's so just fun and funky. Now with Paper Pumpkin stamps, I do like to give them a bit of a scrub first. It just takes some of the guck off. I find with some photopolymer stamps, they have like a little bit of a film on them from the manufacturing, and it means that the ink doesn't hold on very well. So I'm gonna give this a scrub. And then the other thing, if you're having trouble getting a nice image on your photopolymer stamps, is to use a Stampin' Pierce mat. I'll show you what that looks like. And these are not in the new catalog, but they are still available. They were going to discontinue them, but then they changed their minds, which I'm very grateful for. And since I don't have the big ink pad for Misty Moonlight yet, we'll use the little one. So we're gonna do You're Amazing. And with these little guys, I like to do it all upside down. And then you can see where you've got coverage. And we'll stamp that in the middle-ish. And then the hay is going to go on the biggest of the clouds. That's a loud truck going by outside. And flip it upside down, right way up. The hay, and then we've got this little dude here on the yellow banner. Oh, happy day. That's another one I could sing to. Oh, happy day. But let's not. Let's not and say we did. Don't need to be singing on every video. I'm not that good. All right, put those away. And now we can assemble. So let's have a look at the cards here. Which one should I do first? Let's do the green one first because it is right on top here. Just jade. It's not just green, it is just jade. And I need a bone folder. Has anybody seen the sneak peeks of next month's card kit? Is anybody as excited about it as I am? Because it's going to be super awesome too. I'm going to save those and I'll use the pack of dimensionals I already started. So if you missed it, the Paper Pumpkin kit for next month, which you can still subscribe to, is a yellow box. The cards inside are, I believe they're full-size cards. They're designed by Sarah, and the box is meant to be repurposed. So you can actually repurpose it as one of those Send a Box of Sunshine boxes. So you can fill it with all kinds of candy and treats and stuff, decorate it with the extra stickers that are in the kit, and send it to somebody and make their day. And I think that's such a cute idea. So I will be getting it for sure. I mean, let's face it, I get every kit. But yeah, it's gonna be really cool and I'm excited to see what people do with it and who they send their little kits to. So I'm just tying a little bow here in my Magenta Madness twine. And then somewhere here I had the little adhesive dots. I actually prefer these, as much as I'm not a huge fan of them for most things. I really like them for adhering these Baker's Twine bows because they're a little bit thinner, they're a little bit easier to kind of fold over and hide than the full-size glue dots. Pop that there, and then let's unpack these. And then these are super puffy and they're easy to pick up, so I'm just going to pick them up with my fingers. Usually I can't do that with embellishments because I have the finger stupids, but these ones are super easy to pick up. They remind me of the like stickers you'd get at the dentist as a kid. So there is our first card done. Let's work on this one here, which this one goes on to the Purple Cozy. Now this one does not have a pattern on it. Oh no, it has a little bit of a distressed pattern on the front. I don't know if this is supposed to be popped up or not, but I like popping things up. Add a bit of layers to everything, right? And then we need our banner and our You're Amazing. I'm gonna glue this on. And that will go on there, and then I can use that as a guide as to where to put my dimensionals on the back of the vellum, because I want them to be covered up. So as long as I put them where I've glued my layer on, it's all good and they stay hidden. Magical. Okay, another bow. And these I'm just doing little bunny ears, crossing them over and tucking through. Some people tie their shoelaces like that. I don't, but that's the easiest way I find to make twine bows. Ribbon bows are a whole nother story, but twine bows, that usually works pretty good. And then again, I'm just gonna fold that little dot over so that it's hidden when I go to attach my bow. And now we're gonna do this all over again and put that there, and that there, and that there. Another card done. This is going so quick. All right, last but not least, let's see where this is gonna go before I get too excited with the glue. Because again, vellum, it'll show through. And I don't want it to show through. I want my secrets to remain secrets. Ooh, but I will show you one secret. So, with this one, I'm going to tuck this behind my other little cloud. Now this cloud I want to stick up. So I'm going to do a double layer of dimensionals. So I'm going to stick another dimensional on there, and then I'm actually going to stick one up here too so that it remains sturdy. And then you can see from the side you've got two there and one there, because this layer is already up on one. So that's how you get multiple layers with dimensionals. So fancy. Putting glue behind where I have my pieces of cardstock. Leia, it's okay. Apparently it's not okay. Leia. Clearly something dangerous is happening out in the yard. Squirrel probably ran across the fence. Or a cat walked down the street. I shouldn't be so nonchalant. The other day we had a bear sitting in our driveway, so. But I'm pretty sure that the bear would be scared away by the barking. Oh, you know what? The ice cream truck was going by earlier too. That was not okay. Heaven forbid. Okay, almost done. All we need to do now is a little embellishment, and another little embellishment. And there's another card done. So there we go. That was 20 minutes and I made 3 cards. So there's, in this kit, there is 4 of each of these cards. So I'm gonna make a whole bunch more. And they all can be sent regular letter mail. Next month's kit, I don't have the little flyer anymore. I don't know what I did with it. But it will be available. You can subscribe. I'll post the link to subscribe, and yeah, it'll be super exciting. And I'm excited to see who you send cards to and who you send a little box of sunshine to. Happy stamping! Bye!